Welcome to Kerala, India, rightly known as God's own country. Join us for an immersive walking journey through this tropical paradise. We begin our walk in Fort Kochi, where history lives in every colonial building and vibrant piece of street art. These iconic nets have stood here for centuries, a testament to the ancient spice trade that shaped this beautiful land. The air here is thick with the aroma of fresh cardamom and pepper. It's a true sensory explosion of the Spice Coast. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now, we move to the heart of the backwaters in Alappuzha. Here, life flows at the gentle pace of the water. These traditional houseboats, or ketuvallams, are now floating sanctuaries offering a unique view of rural life. The warmth of the people here is as bright as the tropical sun. Every smile tells a story of hospitality. Lush green rice paddies provide a stunning contrast against the blue sky. It is nature in its purest form. Ascending into the Western Ghats, we reach Munnar, where the air turns crisp among the emerald tea gardens. Skilled workers meticulously handpick the finest leaves that will eventually reach teacups all over the world. From these heights, the world looks like a velvet green carpet laid out by the gods themselves. In Thakati, the wilderness takes over. We tread softly through the ancient Periyar Forest Reserve. With a bit of luck, the majestic giants of the forest make a grand and peaceful appearance. No journey here is complete without a sadhya, a feast of over 20 unique vegetarian delicacies. Kerala literally means land of coconuts. They are the heart of the local economy and culture. Kathakali, the ancient dance drama, uses vibrant expressions and costumes to tell epic traditional tales. At Varkala, the cliffs meet the ocean. It's a unique landscape that creates a truly spiritual vibe. The rhythmic sound of the waves is the perfect soundtrack to this tranquil evening beach walk. Traditions like Kalarapayattu keep the spirit of Kerala's warrior past alive for future generations. The sheer power and beauty of Athirapilli Falls is enough to take anyone's breath away. Spirituality is woven into life here, seen in the stunning architecture of ancient temples. Kerala is more than a destination. It's an experience. Thank you for walking with us today. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.